Guys, welcome to my channel. Today just doing a quick walk around of my new zero turn. New to me, but it's a 2017 model, so it's definitely better than my '07 Bobcat in terms of years anyway. So this is the Kubota Z726 XKW. Features a 60-inch deck, side discharge. This particular model right now has mulching kit on it. So that's to be decided whether or not I'm going to keep it. It does feature the FX801V, which is a Kawasaki 25.5 horse. And if I remember the specs right, I think it's about 44 foot-pounds at 2400 RPM as well. So it is a big block, 852 cc. I haven't quite taken it out to cut grass with it yet, but just doing the basic maintenance. So this unit only has 400 hours on it. I got it. The deck did make a bit of a rattle, so I inspected. I found a bearing in the center spindle. The lower bearing, to be specific, was completely gone. So I replaced that. I did make a quick video. So yeah, that's all done. So far the deck is purring like a kitten now. I just changed a fuel filter. I am awaiting an oil filter. I'm going to do that. Even though it doesn't look that bad, I just want to know that it's done, and I'll start timing it. Previous owners, the original owner, said he had just put new tires on it. The tread does look pretty good on them. But what I noticed is, at full sticks, when I first tested it out, it did have a pull to the left. When I checked tire pressure, the right was 21.5 and the left was 19.5. So I consulted the manual. They basically state they recommend 10 psi on this model. So I've dropped the psi significantly. I think I'm going to try it at 14. That's what it's set at now. And we'll go from there. If I find the tires are chewing up turf too much, I'll reduce the air pressure a bit more. But yeah, so I just want to give you guys a quick walk around of my new Kubota zero turn. Like I say, it's a 2017 model, and I'm hoping to get years of good service out of it. I figure, like anything else, you keep up with the maintenance, it should treat you well. So I plan on doing everything I can to keep it running tip top. Alright, if you guys have any questions, feel free to leave something in the comments, and I'll do what I can to get back to you. And yeah, thanks for checking this out. If you guys like this channel or like this episode, feel free to subscribe. More to come. Thanks, guys. Bye for now.